This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by enabling biometrics in your phone settings. Go to Security or Biometrics now and select the method you want. Next, make sure your screen lock is configured because biometrics tie into device security. Once done, follow on-screen prompts to register a finger or face. Hold steady, vary angles, and cover the full sensor area. This initial enrollment builds the template the phone uses, so take your time and repeat captures when prompted to improve accuracy. Now refine the setup by enrolling backups, add a thumb and an index, or register your face from slightly different positions so the system recognizes you in varied lighting. Then open apps you want to protect, enable biometric authentication inside each app, and allow necessary permissions. Make sure fallback options like PIN or pattern are set. These are required for certain restores and updates. Finally, test unlocking in bright and low light to confirm consistent performance before finish by verifying everything. Lock the phone and unlock with each enrolled finger or your face multiple times, then perform app authentication flows to confirm access. If you see false rejects, clean the sensor or camera, re-enroll templates, and confirm app permissions and OS updates. Make sure no screen protector or case blocks sensors. If failures persist, try safe mode or contact manufacturer support. Hardware faults or corrupted templates sometimes require a factory reset or service repair to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.